To sew the divider, not the zipper divider, but just a normal divider, you will need 2 piece J's, or piece G's. And we are going to place them together along one of the long sides and sew them. Now if you are, this ends up being a little bit of a floppy divider. And if you want it to be a little more stiff, you can add another layer of interfacing to this, like maybe Decoville along one side or some Pellon 809. I would use something that is thin and stiff. And I would also probably only do that if I were doing the drop-in lining. Otherwise, it's just going to be more bulk when you turn. Okay, for this bottom piece, a key part of this divider is to sew it at 1/2 inch box on the bottom of each corner. So what I went ahead and did was just drew this 1/2 inch box on the bottom. And I'm going to sew along this line, and I'm going to pivot at the corner. Now this is going to be hidden at the very bottom of the purse. If your box is not straight or you don't pivot perfectly, that's okay, because nobody will see this. But this is how we get this center divider with the boxed bottom corners of the purse. So I'm going to cut this very short. And then this is an important part. Cut up to your stitches, but don't cut through the actual stitches. And then I will repeat that on this side. Now I will turn my piece right side out. And you can press this. I don't want to press my waterproof canvas, so I'm just going to finger press this top seam, and then I will put clips all around it. Waterproof canvas is great for this purse. It helps give it a little extra body. Pretty thick in this if you're doing it, if you're doing the zipper divider though. So if I'm doing the zipper divider and I have waterproof canvas, I only do 2 of the layers in that, and then the other 2 I'll do a thinner cotton fabric. Okay, I am going to put clips all around the edge of this, and then we're going to baste the raw edges and top stitch over the sewn edges. I'm going to lengthen my stitch a bit. And I'm going to lengthen even more when I'm basting. Okay, so I am now going to set this aside because I need a video how to do the zipper divider. But you're going to go right on ahead and sew this into the bottom seam of the lining in the next step.